Welcome everybody to the blast of the lyrical gun. Where they gonna go, where they gonna run when I come with a fully loaded clip inside of a syllable pistol. Light it up like a disco. Got the fire but I'm way too line them up like a mofo. Wanna stay but I've got to. They don't wanna see me make it, I can really fucking take it for another second. I'll be wrecking all the competition. Do I need to mention every single motherfucking hater? Leave them as a crater, I'm the final terminator. Still gonna attack on the right track. K-City on the map, we gon' fight back. I'm giving the vibe that the mic like eating all these haters up just like a light snack. These haters whining sound the sirens when I'm taking all control. I hear them crying, slowly dying when my move's about to blow.
My check 1, 2. Napakadami nga nakamasid na mga mata. Gusto nila ako makita lumagapak. Napakadami nakamasid na mga talangka. Gusto nila ako makita na bumagsak. Di nila matagapakita. Umaangat ang katulad ko na milya-bilya nga naagwat. Dati na nga ako nahalimaw. Gumanapalika, nakaharap halimaw. Na ko sarap din na susukat nga sa panlabas. Kakayahan kong taglay at antas. Habang tumatagal lumalabas. At mas pinalakas pa ng pinalakas. Di na susukat nga sa panlabas. Kakayahan kong taglay at antas. Habang tumatagal lumalabas. At mas pinalakas pa ng pinalakas.
These haters whining sound the sirens when I'm taking all control. I hear them crying, slowly dying when my move's about to blow.
Check 1, 3. Feeling like a star cause I see that the telescope is set on me. Yeah, I'm on the ground but you can bet I'm free. Still get money while I do what the label say like a pet monkey. What you really know about then? Here are those sneaking like an episode of Gangs of Oslo. At the condo making stacks with my flow. Devilish bars, I'ma rap Diablo.
Telling me that you don't wanna beef, but I don't wanna end the drama.
These Filipino Europeans gotta be the very biggest surprise ever since Rembanyama.
Your tragedy about to expire. Hey,
Your bastard, my friend, is for hire.
need a hit?
I'll massively make your flow tighter. Call me Casper, the friendly ghost rider.
These haters whining sound the sirens when I'm taking all control.